What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go into the haunted room slash the N-gauge room, and okay. Anyways, I'm gonna leave this door. So 1 second. So this is supposed to be an N-gauge room. I'm gonna make sure we can come out this door again too. Make sure it doesn't lock. Okay, that was scary. Okay, we can push around the trains. Oh, nice! They got 2 trains running. That's nice. There's the yard. Okay, now that's just freaking me out. That sound. There's the locomotive that's outside. Okay, now over here is where the station is. We're in there. Right in there. So, there are multiple roundhouses, I guess. One roundhouse over here. One over there. But, yeah. This is kind of cool. Some old locomotives. But I'm gonna go up on the second floor and see if you guys can see that. There. This is what it was where I am now. This is what it looks like in the 40s, I think. I believe this. But this is pretty cool. Underneath this is the era of steam locomotives, but I don't want to give too much away because then I might get in trouble or get sued for copying, like showing everything, because you guys gotta come here and see it for yourself. It's a lot better when you see it for yourself. Anyways, so a nice yard there. That roundhouse and that roundhouse were tore down. Most of this was tore down. Even the trolley was tore down. It's not even here anymore. Yeah, we got a freight train that looks like it's going. Oh no, not Penn Central. Penn Central really messed up. But like New York Central, well, it was by itself, and I liked Pennsylvania, well, it was by itself. They were perfectly good railroads until they combined.